Here we go, 3S. I can tell already. Oh, this is a bit nuts. Woo! It's got some zip. Yeah, this isn't shy on power. Brakes are probably a little strong. Actually, I think I remember I turned the brakes down on these because I think they came out of the box at like 75% or something. I think that may have been another change I made. This has got a little bit. Yes, yes, that's what we want. I wanted to see if it would do it. Like, it's not even that far away from me, but I wanted to see if it would do it. And it does it. God, this has got so much power. It feels light. On 3S, it feels so light, so nimble. Alright, let's see what happens when we jump it now. Alrighty, 3S. Can the tyres hold on? There's a big smack. I'm gonna try and clear that jump. The tyres. Now on 3S, the tyres are probably not as good as they were on 2S. Whoa! That had a massive kick up off the jump there, and there was no recovering that. Let's see if everything's okay. Looks like we're fine. All right, let's keep going. Nice. Brake strength is definitely a little bit. I might turn that down just a smidge. It's better. Not perfect, but better. Is it upside down? No, we're good. See if you can line it up and do a proper send off this jump. Hey, it knows now. Stay upright. All right, let's go bigger. All right, let's see what we can break. If it survives this, you know where we're going. Doing a big Superman jump. Grass is a little lush. It's going to have a nice soft landing on the grass over there. Taking a few hits. Surviving fine. Whoa! Wasn't going to get me that time. Front flip it is. Oh. Come back. I got something stuck somewhere. I do. I have a bunch of grass on the front here. Alright, all good. We'll get to the back flips eventually. Just let me get my bearings with this. It's a bit hard to line up, I'm noticing. Here we go, here we go. Not that time. Heaps of power. More power than the setup can handle, I think. Here we go, line her up. Just doesn't want to rotate. Come on, baby. Gotta get one backflip in, surely. Yeah, there we go. I'm counting it. It loves to kick up, so we just do the old anchor the brake and do a front flip scenario trick. You know, that old chestnut. It is fun to drive though. When it lands nice, it lands nice. Alright. Come on, here we go. This is the one, this is the one. Oh, butter! That was so good. That was so good. Alright, Superman jump it is. Now the downside with Superman jump today is that we have headwind. So the wind is coming directly from that side, and I don't know if we're even going to make it to the second jump. Given that this thing is so light, it's not going to penetrate the air all that much, but we'll do our best. See what we can do here. It's alive, I can hear it, but I don't know where it's going. Nah, I think it's upside down. Alright. Survived the first launch. Let's see if it'll survive any more. Oh, come on! Oh, the grass is so lush. It's so deep there, it's not even allowing it to rock. Oh, there it is. It's alright, it lived. It lives. This is a tough car, actually. Now I start to think about how many impacts and crashes it's had. Hey, didn't roll over. Whoop. Oh! It's alright, still alive. Ooh, big send. Gotta give credit where credit's due. Oh, the body's gone over the bumper. So annoying when that happens. Let me just fix this up real quick. Okay. Battery's still going, car's still going. Oops. Ah. I mean, this isn't really made for these types of jumps, but the whole purpose of it, oh! That may have been the end of the Q2. I can't believe this thing is still alive. That's incredible. I have no idea what happened, how it landed, where it was just upside down. But it's still going. Oh God. Oh. Yes. I'm not intentionally trying to break it, but Oh my god, the bumper's gone under the body again. That is so annoying. All right. That is impressive. It's alive! It's alive! It landed, it went over the other jump because I saw it get airborne again. And it's still going. How is this still going? Alright, that's got to be it. That landed sideways. No! It's still going! What is happening? Oh, there it is. Still alive and well. This is defying all sorts of laws of physics at the moment. Come on, please. I couldn't flip it over. Okay. Something's got to give at some point. Either the battery's going to die or the car's going to die. And neither of them seem to be wanting to quit at the moment, so we're just going to keep going. Nice. You can see it's not getting a lot of distance. The wind is quite strong. Because I think if the wind was a tailwind, we would be clearing that second jump. This thing just doesn't quit. I mean, if there was any doubt if this car was better than the previous version, I'm gonna go ahead and say that yes, it's better than the previous version. At least I think it is. It looks like it is. You guys tell me in the comments. Oh boy. Oh! Okay, so let's analyze the car a little bit because we need to see what's going on with it. So it looked like it took a hit right on that wheelie bar and that didn't break. LEDs are still functional. Yep. That's still working. Tires, I mean, sure, I was complaining about the plastics being really soft, and I think my gripe with the steering and why I was struggling to really line this thing up at times is because of that. But I do wonder if that's going to be an issue as far as durability by stiffening those steering links. That's my only concern, but that may have something to do with the fact that I really struggled sometimes to line this up, and that could also be playing a part in the you know, the handling, because you're trying to steer and the links are so soft that they're just flexing too much. But I mean, it looks as though I could just sit here and repeat this battery after battery, smack this thing around, crash it, tumble it, flip it, jump it, and it's not quitting. I haven't broken a single thing. And you guys know that this car is not meant to be on this jump. Like, it's just not priced to be competing with cars that take this jump on in their stride, and yet this car is doing it. So I don't know what to tell you. Love it, hate it. Proof's in the pudding here. It's got LED lights, it's got a really nice radio. I do recommend turning down your brakes. They're a little bit strong. So do jump into your ESC settings and change that up. lower the wheelie bar at least 1 notch. I think that helps, especially when it comes to doing wheelies, because I did do some wheelies on the tarmac before I started this run, and yeah, it pops wheelies really easy, and you can hold position like that a lot better. So I do suggest or recommend lowering it down by at least 1 notch. And other than that, I mean, I'm gonna have a play around with the suspension. Maybe I'll put some slightly thicker oil in there, see if that changes anything. Or maybe I'll see if HBI or Maverick have got any upgrade shocks or anything like that that we can play around with, and see if that changes anything, if it makes it better or worse. I'm also going to be investigating link options and see if we can maybe change out the links, if that changes anything with the steering. But durability wise, power, performance, man, this thing's got it in spades. For it out of the box, basher, take it out to the park, go have some fun, throw a battery in it. Oh, there we go, LVC is finally hit us, and we are done. I think this guy has proven itself really, really well today. Well done, Maverick, well done, HPI. I think this is a winner. That's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.